switching with anybody.
Yeah, you got a good person.
Should I be Bilgewater or Mercenary? Try Bilgewater out.
Um, I
I
like
don't know.
mercenary actually better.
Screw you. Bilgewater it
Uh,
is.
I'm Gragas apparently.
I don't care. I'll be Bilgewater. Whatever. I'll, you know. All right.
Armor, magic pen,
I don't
ability.
think I really need Flash with her though, right?
And
Because of
he
her
is
ability.
21, 9. So we can look and double
Mm,
check. All AP, armor, magic pen.
Dude, are we all AP?
What?
Fresh is the only one of us that can't go. That can decide not to go AP.
Oh, yeah, we are strong AP.
That's not gonna be good, dude.
I got heal. 80 thrash, 80 thrash, 80 thrash.
Oh, you know what? Even the one that I recorded earlier wouldn't have your voice in it at all either. It just had my voice.
Well, you
Because your
gotta
voice
put your
comes through
mic.
my speakers. No, I got it fixed now.
Oh,
It
okay,
should
good
be
job.
fine now. It's just I'm saying like one from before would have me, but not you guys.
Yeah, okay.
It's so dumb you gotta change it
So
sometimes.
then you're talking to yourself.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
kind of cool.
not cool at all. I deleted it.
You know, I really want to try singed support bottom. I really want to try that.
I have singed.
I just think it'd be, kind of difficult at the beginning, but I think once it gets started, I don't know, it'd be like an extra wall, you know?
Yeah, I guess.
Especially with Callista. Callista can throw him in there, flip him. I think it'd be cool. I don't have a Gragas skin. I never really cared about Gragas. They have no skins. They're all naked.
We win the skin battle.
Yep. Skin battle. Good game.
Huge sandwich. Huge sandwich. You hug age sandwich. No.
Ha sandwich?
Char the Pokemon.
Ha sandwich? That's funny.
They got freaking fiddlesticks. I have to.
Kilowatt. That's actually a pretty cool name. Hey, Odin is playing.
This isn't Smite. Wait to Smite.
No, it says Haru Odin.
I know. I'm telling you to go back to Smite because Odin is a god in Smite.
Well, apparently in this game, it's a girl.
Oh my gosh, shut up. Okay.
I've been drinking a little wine.
Are you drunk?
And I don't drink enough to get drunk. Drink enough to get nice and warm, and then I go to sleep. Then I pass out.
Yeah, I got
Oh,
nothing
dude,
here.
I didn't tell you. We went to Sakura, which is a hibachi place.
Okay.
And no lie, my granny, ordered a medium sake or a small sake, and so did I. I drank all my sake, and
Mm.
she actually liked sake.
Oh, I saw your picture of that too.
Yeah, so she was like drinking that stuff, dude.
Only had it once. I
I
don't
was like,
remember it.
holy moly.
You remember
I
what it
think
tastes like?
I think it's really good if you don't smell it. If you don't smell it, you'll be good.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like it's really fruity, actually. I don't know how. And they actually get it from a box, like kind of like the wine box, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I saw them pour it in there and then they microwaved it for 45 seconds. No lie.
So you're just gonna find out where they get it from and buy your own?
Right, that's what I'm saying. Buy my
Oh
own and
gosh.
sock it up, dude. Seriously, for $6 for that, that's like when I drank it, I was feeling pretty good. After
Mm-hmm.
it had like I think I had five because we let someone else try it. So one thing held six to seven.
Okay.
So so you're looking at six drinks of that. I would say equaled to a lot of beers, but I would say probably two or three shots.
I want a mini beer. That's what I want.
A mini beer.
You ever had them?
You know, is that the shot?
Mm-hmm.
I have not had that. I need to try it because
So
actually Robert
good.
Jones said try it and then buy it. That's what he said.
That's what you will do.
Try it and
Because
then
it's
buy it.
amazing. It's amazing. I can't even explain it. It's just so good.
Yeah. Look at your tattoos
Yeah, I know.
and your white hair. Dude, Warden Ash would be so cool with Katarina. We gotta find everybody with white hair. That's what I would like to do, like pick everybody with like armor or pick someone with, all monsters or something.
Yeah, but you gotta make sure the um, team
Comp,
balance works. Yeah, team balance, comp,
team
whatever.
balance. I don't care. Why are we not starting?
Well, I don't
Did the game freeze?
know. No, I mean mine's the same, so I doubt it. It crashes. I'm going to bed.
Yeah, exactly. Same here. I think we broke League.
At this point, I'm tired enough to where I kind of hope we did.
It's like you can't have Galio in here. I think that's what they said.
Thirsty.
Seriously though?
Some
What the
water.
fuck? Everybody's at 100%.
That is one good thing about Smite, dude.
I know.
Load up times are insanely fast.
I know, but that's because no one plays Smite, so no one wants to hack into it. Everyone plays League.
You're pretty
Colleges play League.
wrong about that. Well, I mean, you're not wrong with the fact that colleges play it, but you're wrong with the fact that no one wants to play it. It's a great game.
I know, but by no one, I mean like, say, like 50 million compared to like 2 million. Is that
Finally,
fair enough
about
to say?
time. I think it's fair enough to say shut up and play the game.
Yeah,
I think
that's probably
that's what's
true.
fair enough to say.
That's probably true.
So you Galio, Fiddlesticks, Fiora, Pantheon, Nami. Get that, then I can get that. And get
That was the smarter thing to do.
what?
Yeah, you got some stuff. Did you get what they told you to get?
Nope. Why?
Ah, man, my toe itches.
Why?
Because I know that Syndra did. And Thresh might have got something different. He's going 80, I think. I think he's really going 80 Thresh.
Good, yeah,
Yeah,
we
he
need it.
is.
No, I went with, ooh, hello, hello. Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Such bad men. I guess I should probably do that. Look at him dancing. You missed.
God, that touched all of us. God.
I hate that silence, I know.
Yeah, what's funny is Fiddlesticks is like the easiest person to gank, but the hardest person to solo. You know?
You guys started it. That's funny.
Gosh, she's getting all the CS. Holy shebang.
Who is?
Syndra's?
That's a cool Cinder skin, I like it. The globes are cool. Yeah, Fiddlesticks does not like me.
Ah, fat man got a kit. Fat man got a kit. Ooh, man, that
The
Fiora's
fat man
good,
just
dude.
watched when his buddy got killed that time.
Yeah, I know. I did watch. It was
You
pretty
just sat
exciting.
back and just watched that a death happen to your buddy. Stay away
Yeah.
from me. You got crows coming
I'm
after
gonna
you.
go get mana.
Ooh, no you're not, because Cinderace is first. Oh, you're good, actually, nice.
Actually,
Go.
Singe needs
Just
to
get
get
it.
it.
They are never gonna nerf Fiora.
They are. They are.
They are.
Oh, he didn't even get that heal. He was too short away. Oh, damn.
I should have just used my abilities. That was stupid of me. Stupid, stupid, stupid.
Yeah, you gotta use your abilities,
Shut
bro.
up, douche. I'm coming back with a vengeance. Who was it that killed me?
Fiora can come in.
I knew who it was killed me.
Oh, shit turd. Shit turd. Shit turd.
Oh no, not Thresh.
Yep, Thresh is dead. Hey guys, Thresh is dead.
Who's hey guys?
I don't know. Just don't worry about it. Yeah, go in there where Fiora can.
That poke.
As soon as I get 6, we'll be able to destroy him because they want to come in on us.
As soon as I get 6, it probably won't matter. Really? Share the wealth, man.
I can't help it. I just timed everything.
I know, I didn't time it. Really? Really? That was a KS. That was a KS.
Okay, this is gonna be good on film, okay? Yay, Fat Man!
Oh, nope. Did I get you? Oh, she got you.
Aw, man.
Get away, Fiora.
Nami's toaster still trying to connect.
Ah, balls. I had nothing to jump to. Used to get Fiora. Hate that hoe.
I spell real wrong, but
How'd you spell it?
whatever way I wanted to spell it.
The wrong way. Oh. You're welcome, everybody. I need some
You need Zonias, dude, like ASAP.
Hextech Revolver would be nice too, but yeah, I do need Zonias.
Why would he get that instead of dying?
Hey, I'm positive again. And right behind you on kills now. Oh no, get him. Nicely done.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Taco.
Oh, freaking no.
You know, if you guys would just do your job.
I don't know what happened. What
Ah.
happened there? I started using my ult and it just stopped.
So a lot of damage is AD. We need to get in there. They're getting tanky.
Yup.
They're getting really tanky. It's like a mix right now. Luckily, Galio's trying to go tank, so he's not gonna do anything. We just need like wards and shit. We can push easily. Fat man, good pusher.
That Fjord's the one we need to watch out for. Sorry for sharing that. Sorry.
Hmm. What are you trying to do to us? You know, Fiora is their go-in person, so.
Oh boy,
Oh.
I will get this.
Saved you on that.
I know, I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Fuck. Got a double kill though.
Oh, really? Shoes are all just in time. I hate that alt, man, don't it?
Use?
Fiora's.
Oh yeah, that old jump.
Yeah.
Nice, good job, Thresh. Killer.
He is 180, that's awesome. Causes what? Nice, cool.
Nami way down. Oh boy. Nothing. I got nothing.
Maka.
Get the hell.
Thank you. Fifi's up here.
She like Fifi?
Yeah.
Get the hell. Oh boy.
He's gonna use his ult. Oh, never mind. He went back. She's in there, though. Nice.
Nice hit. Nice.
Yeah, we caught him off guard. Bitches. Oh shit.
I shouldn't have done it, but oh well. Now I wait because I will have enough for needlessly large rock. Oh man. Go. You're done.
I was actually gonna flash away, but I didn't get in time. I think that's Josh's fault. Bad supporting.
Supporting? I'm not a support character. I'm a
Killer.
assassin.
He's a killer, man.
I'm an assassin. Which means I need backup right now.
Ooh, 600. Oh, excuse me. I'm coming. Why is Singe doing that? He's costing us the game. My name is Singed, and all I do is run around. Damn it.
Hey. I'm
Easy
getting that
says,
health.
easy go. Will you stay or will you go? You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. If they get you.
Yeah. If you just stop and let me freaking jump to you.
Oh, get back, get back. No one has health but me. That Poro is fat, dude. If you
I
feed
know.
the
I
thing.
already did.
Oh, okay.
Look, it's huge, dude. That's hilarious. Let them feed the fat Poro. I want to see it explode. That's what she said.
Hmm.
Freaking, I'm dead.
Oh,
Gosh.
dude, they
Literally
have.
can't do anything to get out of that, can you? It just sucks you in the whole. I mean,
That was good for them. Not good for us.
not good at all for us. Now we're 2 down, possibly in him. Probably in him. Definitely in him.
Yeah, but it's like a 50-50, man. We just gotta catch them off guard. You know?
Mm-hmm.
It's just no one wants to go in, but the Singed who really stinks like poop.
Is he? Think like poop?
Yeah, he does.
Back hurts. You can see his
And they're
gas is
cooking
behind
the
him.
shit out of it. Oh, I didn't mean to flash. Come on.
That flash, though.
Yay, got 24 gold.
We can't really fight them underneath their turret.
I know, we can't fight them anywhere.
Alright, I should probably get back in the game now. We really don't want to fight them with their turret, though. We need to let them push a little bit. Uh-oh. 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 I know I said this before, but
Get the
uh-oh.
fuck out of here. Come on,
We're
guys.
screwed, dude. We're screwed. You're gonna have to use your ult.
I'd
I'm
say
gonna have to
we
go and
are.
use my ult.
I already used my ult.
Oh my gosh. What? What? It's not okay, man. It's not okay. See? That's what happens. That's what happens. What's her face is low, though? Just don't wipe. At this point, don't wipe.
Why would you go in, Syndra?
Like a boss. I had freaking. Oh my god. I can't believe I had that freaking. Hey, come this way. Definitely gonna steal this kill.
Do it.
Ah, frick. I mean, it wasn't really a steal since Singed can't really kill him, so.
Nah, he can't. He smells like baloney.
But he is tanky, so I will help
He's
him.
level 10. I am level 10.
Oh no.
Isn't that
Fiora
stuff?
can rip him apart though.
Max 10 stacks. Alright, we're good. We need to catch her off guard, dude.
Yeah, I know.
She's the one that's
The thing is, we
murdered.
can't do anything here next to their freaking turrets.
I know.
And again, that freaking Raven hit us all.
Or I can go in and get my Zonyas.
Your Zonias. We seriously bad need to take out this stupid turret. Really? How are we
We
gonna
have
do
no
that?
ADC,
we have no
bro.
range. Yeah. I mean, no range. That stupid wave, dude. Can't get the freaking wave.
That's game. Little turds.
Freaking wave, man. Like, pisses me off. Yeah, maybe. I don't know how far back their minions are.
Singe just doesn't bring anything to team fights. That's our problem.
She should die. Maybe not. Watch out. Singed.
He wanted to die on purpose. Should just let his ass go.
Let him go. He goes and takes out our last turret, you know? Get the turret now.
Oops.
Gather,
Wrong
gather,
button.
gather. Just get the thing down. Stop one? No, we got
No,
him
no.
back. What is he doing?
I'm telling him to get all the health. I don't know where the
I possibly threw the game so you can feed it. Do it, please. It's right there.
Wow. Is that the is it done?
There it
Oh my
is!
God.
Yeah!
What does that do?
Nothing.
There's just a bunch of little poros running around? Is it? There's just a bunch of what?
Yeah, it pops a bunch of little poros. It makes a bunch of mini poros. That's the first time I've ever seen it. That's hilarious.
Do we get an achievement for that?
I don't know. I mean,
Like a
I-
free skin, like a Poro
probably
skin?
not.
God dang it.
Their initiate's just too good with that freaking.
It's Galio.
It's not just Galio, dude. It's freaking
The
Fiddle and then or Nami then Fiddle.
mm-hmm. Well, good news is they don't have their AD,
It doesn't matter.
so they
though.
can't really kill that tower because they have nothing.
That's true. Got him. Oh boy. No, he hit the wrong way. Get it.
No, he moved. They win.
Pisses me off really bad. Kill her.
Oh my god. His ult. He just can take so much, you know, aggro for everybody.
Yeah, it's a bad game. I played a bad game.
No, we didn't.
I kind of did. I mean, there's times that I should have been able to, I should have used my Zonias and I completely forgot about it. There's times that, you know, I
That's
don't know, whatever.
usually works